Hi everyone. I think only Rakesh and Shakir is joined. What about others? So they did not join today. Let's wait for some time. Other people to join. Okay. So the last session we discussed about break end sections, and also we seen what are the difference between the break end sections. Okay. So my requirement is, so I want to display the data in this format. So I'll just show you in Excel. So this is the layout I want to display the data. I'm trying to open Excel sheet. See here, I want to bring the year data, state, sales revenue, quantity. So I have 2004 data. I want to see California, Colorado, DC, Florida. Like I say, we have a data, right? Texas. So similarly, so what happened? I have a data for 2005 also. I have a data for 2006 also. So what is my requirement here? I'll show you. The same layout I want to display in my report. I'm just giving an example here. Okay. Here I want to display the total. Okay. And the respected sales revenue, total sales revenue and quantity sold. Similarly, the remaining data 2007, 2015, 16, 17, and header will be the different color. Okay, this is what my requirement. The same format I want to display in my report. So how we can do that? So to achieve this requirement, I'm trying to connect to the server. Click OK, enter the details. So try to create a WebE report. So how to create a WebE report? We need to log into the BA Launchpad to implement a WebE report. So is my voice is audible to all? Is my voice is clear all?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So now I'm trying to create a new WebE report. Go to the application, select the Web Intelligence. Do not update, do not block. When you try to create a report, just select a later. Now click on accept run. Now try to create a new WebE report. Choose a universe. Click OK. Okay, now you can see the list of the universes are there. So I am choosing the one of the universe, if fashion. Select this. Now, what is the requirement? I want to bring the year, state, sales, revenue, quantity sold. I want to bring the 3-4 objects here. So here I am taking, state I am taking, sales revenue, quantity sold. So 4 objects added. When you add the 4 objects, it created a SQL query. The query generated automatically, right? Simple. You can run a query now. Now all the data is displaying. So here values are repeating, right? I don't want to repeat the values. So the same format, how it is displaying, the same format should display in my report also. For that, simple. For that, what I am trying to do, select the year object, go to the analysis tab, and apply a break. Now select the sales revenue, go to the function, click on sum, and quantity sold also, click on sum. Okay. Okay, so now I can see the total revenue, right? Subtotal. Fine. Now this one I want to make it center, right? So select the year and go to the manage breaks. Here you can find duplicate values. Wherever the duplicate values are there, so it is currently displaying the first. What I am doing, make it merge. Click apply, okay. Now you'll see it is showing it is merged now. Okay. Now this one I want to see the total, right? So select this two columns. Select the 2 columns, right click and merge it. Select it and right click and merge it. Now instead of 2004, so currently which is showing 2004, year value it is showing. Remove this and make it as a total. Okay, fine. Now remove the row. Removing the rows, right click and delete. Remove the row. Okay, simple. 2004, 2005 and also 2006. So maybe if you want to change the different color of the subtotal, go to the format and change the background color light yellow. Now it changed, right? So, but header is missing here. So to bring the header, right click here, format a table, select show table header. Here you can choose select a show table header. Now you'll see I can able to see the total header. And I want to change the background color of this, right? So change it to red color. Fine. So this is how we can develop a report as per the requirement by using the breaks. Okay. Clear everyone? Any questions? Now I'm trying to show you some different way. So these all kind of requirement we will achieve it with the break, and we'll get the same requirement when you are working with the project. You get the same requirement when you are working with the project. That is what I am trying to show you. So I'll show you some different way. Trying to bring the year, state, sales revenue, quantity sold. No, I'm trying to apply a break. And doing the subtotal. Now, so instead of the sum, I'm just making it as a year. Okay. Guys, what I am trying to do, see how this will work. So I'm trying to hide this, add a dimension. Remove only the particular row. So basically 2004 total I am displaying on the top. Okay. So go to the format and changing the color. So 2004 I am displaying on the top. And this I am trying to delete the row. So this is another way so we can display the data. Okay. So and also you can change the borders. Okay, guys, now you can see clearly 2004 total revenue, and also each state wise 2004 sales revenue and quantity sold. 2005 total revenue, 2005 each state wise. Okay. So this is how we can display the data by using the break option. Okay. Clear? Maybe you miss out some functionality. Whenever I'm trying to explain, you can go through the recorded session one more time, so you will get it clear. Fine. It's a very simple. Okay, you can go through the recorded session one more time. If you still have any questions, so please let me know. We'll discuss it again. Okay. Now, moving to another report. Trying to create a new report. Select a universe, click OK. So choose a fast universe. Now, I'm trying to have year object, state, product lines, sales revenue, quantity sold. Now, I want to display how much tax I am paying. I want to display how much tax I am paying. Okay. So either I need to find out the tax object, right? So you can search it here if there is any tax object is not there. So normally tax will calculate based on the sales revenue. Tax will calculate it based on the sales revenue. So sales revenue have object. So based on this I can generate new object. Okay guys, what I want to do, so the tax, I want to calculate the tax based on the revenue. How much tax I want to calculate? 12%. Let's assume 12% of the tax I want to calculate on the sales revenue. So I need to write a formula. Simple. Here right click here, insert a new column to the right hand side. Sorry. Let's just give me a second. Mouse is not moving. Oh, no. Okay. One second. It happened suddenly. Okay, now it is working fine. Yeah. Now, so what I want to do, and go back here. So here I want to see the how much tax I am paying. Right click here, insert a column to the right hand side. Header I am writing tax. So header I am writing a tax. Here I am writing a formula. To write a formula, select the rows. To write a formula, select the rows. Okay, and go to the formula editor. Click on FX. When you click on FX, formula editor opens. When you click on FX, formula editor will open. Here you write a formula. So calculating the tax based on sales revenue, right? Sales revenue into 12% is nothing but a 0.12. Validate this. Formula is true. Here is the available object. Whatever the objects you drag in the query panel, those objects you can see. These are the different functions, so which we are going to use to write a different formulas, variables, and these are the operators. Okay, we will discuss some functions which we use frequently. Okay, we will discuss some functions which we use frequently. Okay, that we'll discuss. Formulated, click OK. Now see, I can able to see the tax, how much tax I am paying. Fine. So the tax which is showing each year wise, state wise product, right? Now I just trying to add a tab. So in each year, in 2004, 2005, each year how much tax I paid. Okay. So each year in 2004, 5, 6, 15, 16, each year how much tax I paid. So to display that, so we need to write a formula again, right? Instead of rewriting a formula, instead of rewriting a formula, whatever the formula I written, that I am converting into the variable. If you converting that variable will available here. We can drag and drop into the table. Okay, getting what I am trying to say? So we can drag and drop there, and we can display the tax directly into another table. Currently under the variable nothing it is showing. Okay, now whatever the formula I written, that I am trying to change it as a variable. So if you select any of the row, that is mapped to the object, but this column is mapped to the formula. So instead of the formula, so I am converting into this variable. So here you can see this is a variable. Variable is nothing but a, you are giving a name to the particular formula. Okay, so normally when you create a variable, we always start with the v underscore tax. How much tax we are paying, right? This is a measure. Click OK. Now v underscore tax is available here. Go to the report to and add here. Now let's see. Now I want to see how much is the cost for each product unit. I want to display the what is the cost for each product unit. So I'm directly creating a variable. Right click here, create new variable, v underscore CPU, v underscore CPU. So what is the formula for cost per unit? Sales revenue divided by the quantities sold. Right? Make it as a measure valid. Whenever you writing a formula, always you need to validate it. So if anything goes wrong, right, you'll see when you validate, it will show you error, invalid path. Okay. Fine. Whenever you define any formula, you need to. Whenever you define a formula, you need to validate it always. When you validate it, it will, if there is any error, it will show only the syntax errors. Your formula is correct or not, that will not show. It will show you only the syntax errors. Okay? Click OK. Now you can bring the cost per unit here. So each product, what is the cost? Maybe the cost per unit will change each year also, right? In 2004, accessories $145. In 2005, accessories $160. Okay? So this is how we can write a formula and create a variable. Variable contains the formula, right? Okay, variable contains the combination of the different objects, different arithmetic operations, different webby functions. Okay, fine, and you can save this report. Save as. Save it into one report as with formulas. Okay, I'm just trying to save it into the public folder. Okay, any questions? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, I think today most of the people is not joined, so I'm stopping now, and we'll have a next session on Monday at 7:30 AM IST, same time. We'll send a new meeting invite again. And Suman, we will share the server access today. Venkat, you can give the access today. And also, whatever you the sessions, so the missing recorded sessions also will share with you. You can go through the recorded sessions, okay? And in case if you have any question, we can discuss later, separate session.
Okay, sure. Like how many classes were done?
Almost more than 5 sessions, including the demo. Okay. Yeah, Venkat will share. Maybe some sessions happened some 30 minutes or 45 minutes and one hour session. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. We will share the. So I just started with the Webby only. So each topic I'm discussing. So we are into still Webby sessions. So today I discussed formatting, functional, some functions, right? And formulas and variables. Similar way, we discussed the other topics like ranking functionality, sorting, okay, how to restrict the data, what are the different ways we can restrict the data. So that all we discussed in the previous sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever the
Yeah.
sessions I discussed, that is not depends on the future sessions. It is purely different independent
Okay.
sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Thanks everyone, and we'll meet next session on Monday 7:30 a.m. IST. That's all.
Thank you.